The traditional Czech producer of stoves and inserts comes with an innovative range, Heat, which immediately became the market leader in its class. The mechanism for lifting the door is ensured by the innovative silent lift system. Thanks to this, customers can enjoy quiet and smooth running of the door for the whole product lifetime. To facilitate operation of the fireplace, combustion air is controlled with a single control element made from polished stainless steel. The combustion chamber lined with fire clay bricks, in combination with the cast iron grate, guarantee that the chamber remains in excellent condition over many long years of use. All fireplace inserts in the Heat series are fitted with a central air intake, through which primary combustion air flows, as well as secondary air, which washes the door glass and keeps it constantly clean. For the most ideal flue gas trajectory, all Heat fireplaces use the double spin patented system, which results in maximum cleanliness and ecological combustion. Glass features design printing to elegantly and tastefully fit in with even the most modern structures. The adjustable feet of the Heat series fireplace inserts can be screwed out by up to 50 millimeters. To increase accumulation, it is possible to fit a mammoth accumulation ring onto the throat of the fireplace. For further information, please visit www.romotop.com or contact our authorized dealers.